Jack and Sara learn coding with robots. It was a Saturday morning, and Jack and Sara were lounging around, expecting a quiet weekend with their mom. However, plans had changed. She had cancelled their visit at the last minute. Now, they were stuck at home, while their dad, Mr. Thompson, was in full party preparation mode. He was running around the house, hanging up streamers and setting out snacks for the evening's event. "Okay, you two," Mr. Thompson said with a grin. "I need to get the house ready for tonight's party, and I think it's best if you head out for a bit." "But where are we supposed to go?" Sara asked. Their dad smiled. "I've signed you up for something really fun. You're going to a coding workshop." Sara frowned, confused. "What's coding?" "Well," Mr. Thompson explained as he knelt down, "coding is like what I do at work. It's how we tell computers or robots what to do by giving them instructions. You'll be able to make robots move, spin, and do all sorts of cool things. Trust me, you're going to love it." Jack and Sara were still unsure, but they didn't have much choice. Plus, their dad was pretty convincing when he said it would be fun. So off they went. When they arrived at the tech workshop, they were greeted by Mr. Patel, the instructor. The room was buzzing with small robots zipping around, blinking lights, and making funny sounds. Jack and Sara's eyes widened. "Welcome to the world of coding," Mr. Patel said with a smile. "Today, you're going to learn how to program these robots to do all sorts of cool tricks." Jack and Sara were nervous. Coding sounded complicated, and they had never done anything like this before. Mr. Patel reassured them. "We're going to use block coding. It's super easy. You just drag and drop blocks that tell the robot what to do, kind of like putting together a puzzle." At first, Jack and Sara struggled. Sara's robot moved too fast and knocked over a water bottle, while Jack's robot kept spinning in circles. They both sighed, feeling frustrated. "It's okay to make mistakes," Mr. Patel said. "Coding is all about trial and error. You try something, and if it doesn't work, you change the code and try again." After a few more tries, something clicked. Sara managed to get her robot to move forward in a straight line, and Jack got his to stop spinning and start rolling across the table. "Hey, I did it!" Jack exclaimed, surprised. "This isn't so bad." As the workshop continued, they learned more about how coding worked. They discovered it was all about giving robots clear, step-by-step instructions. They programmed their robots to turn, spin, and even dance. By the end of the session, they faced a big challenge, programming their robots to navigate through a maze. Jack and Sara put their heads together, figuring out the right sequence of commands. It took a few tries, but they finally succeeded. Their robots zipped through the maze without a hitch. As they headed home, excitedly recounting their day to their dad, Sara said, "I guess coding is kind of like magic. You get to make things happen just by giving instructions." Their dad smiled. "I knew you'd love it." Jack chimed in, "Can we go back again sometime? Maybe next time we'll build our own robot." And just like that, what had started as a cancelled weekend turned into an unforgettable adventure where Jack and Sara discovered a whole new world of coding and creativity.